First connect one live wire, one neutral wire, and one ground wire. Prepare a bucket of water. Place the water hose into the bucket. Turn on the switch to apply power. Press the switch. We'll start pumping water. After filling with water, it will automatically stop. Click Other. Press and hold for a few seconds. Password 111. Select the language to change. A handle is installed in the welding area. Can control the screen. Click Power Off. Click OK. You must wait until the countdown ends. Turn the key. Turn off the power. Turn off the power. Unscrew the pipe opening to drain the water